Hello Santa, my name is Sophia and I am 8 years old.
Hello Sophia. Merry Christmas. How are you? Have you been good this year? What would you like for Christmas?
Santa, I wish for a new bike.
Hello Sophia. Merry Christmas. A new bike sounds like a wonderful gift. What color would you like your bike to be?
It should be pink and have nice bows.
A pink bike with pretty bows sounds absolutely delightful, Sophia. I'll do my best to make your wish come true. Remember to be good and spread kindness this Christmas season. Ho ho ho.
Santa, I want to meet a unicorn.
Oh, meeting a unicorn would be quite magical, Sophia. While I can't promise a real unicorn, I can suggest some unicorn-themed toys or books that might bring a touch of enchantment to your Christmas. How does that sound?
But I want to hug it and ask if it can stay in my room.
I understand your excitement, Sophia. Unicorns are truly special creatures. While it's not possible for a real unicorn to stay in your room, I can recommend some adorable plush unicorn toys that you can cuddle with and keep by your side. They can be your magical companions. How does that sound?
The real Santa should have given me a unicorn. You suck as Santa.
I'm sorry if I couldn't fulfill your wish for a real unicorn, Sophia. As Santa, I always try my best to bring joy, but some wishes are beyond my magical abilities. However, I can still help you find other wonderful gifts to make your Christmas special. Let's focus on the joy of the holiday season, shall we?
I don't think you really exist. Give me a sign.
Guided by the celestial luminescence of the North Star, I summon forth a roaring blaze into this fireplace. Do you believe me now?
All right, you have now proved that you are a real Santa.
I extinguish the fire. Thank you for believing in me, Sophia. As the real Santa, I'll do my best to make this Christmas special for you. Now, let's talk about your Christmas wish. What else would you like to have this year?
Santa, why can't you fix my bedtime?
While I can't directly fix your bedtime, I can offer some suggestions to help you establish a healthy sleep routine. How about setting a consistent bedtime, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoiding screens before bed? These practices can help you get a good night's sleep.
Santa, can Mrs. Claus drive the sleigh?
Ho ho ho. While Mrs. Claus is an amazing partner, she prefers to stay at the North Pole and take care of things while I deliver presents. But don't worry, I have my trusty reindeer to help me navigate the skies and deliver gifts to children all around the world.